subscribe to Wilfit Lifestyle. Like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend, to tell the next friend, to tell their mom, tell your aunt. Oh, go over to his YouTube page and subscribe for me, guys. The one right there. The big brain behind the Kingston College team. Alright.
Another day upon the vlog, you know. Another day upon the vlog. This workless boy. You might come beside him over. You take up your vitamin C there though. Fight up, you know, the 19. You know what I mean? Wait 1 minute there. Hold on. Boy, Jake one. If you can't block the record no boy, you can a new job that fear, you know? What's up, yo?
Long time we are doing this boy.
Listen, if that boy can't block your record, you know, man, you have a good side hustle. You ready? Watch out, hey, or hey, side to side. Wax on, wax off. Yo, the man future job ready, you know.
Very nice,
out of work. Can't out. Look on the youth the lip. Why am lip red? Yo, why lip red? How I go on this one? Why lip red?
Do I take a new phone to wash
Take a phone, man. Watch ya. Yo, why lip red, man? Yo.
I can't imagine.
No.
So we are gonna do? Throw a light on that day.
Tang or Kool-Aid.
Make sure. We gotta make sure say Jake when I do a good work, you know. Make sure say man do a good job, you know. See him soap there. Hey, can't. Hey, I see on the boy half a tree, you know. Watch it. You can't even see the sun so bright, no. Yo, it's the man, yo. The man ready for half a tree, no man. Where your bucket there? You know how to do the right thing, you must have a bucket.
We have to use the hose, you know?
You must have your bucket.
No man, you have to use the hose, no bucket.
Jesus, speed. Yeah. Boy, if you not broke your record, no man, you know what go on. Yo, see your future. They come now, see a $50. You come now, man, yo. See little car wash business, like, yo. The car wash business. You can't away. The little car wash business. Come on, no man, youth. I go the youth, you know. See the youth. Watch it. Listen. It's when you go half a tree and say, just come say, yo, hold this, hold the five. That's it. Yeah, I guess hold a 15. Hold a 50 youth. Make him hold a 50, you know. Yo. Boss just collect him $50 and you don't know. Yo, ready now? Yo, hey, get you something for dry now. Yo, get you something for dry now. Yo, all of it. Rate. Watch it now, man. Rate.
Mark, you take my own.
Yo, watch it now, rate.
You take my own.
Come now, rate your outfit from 1 to 10. Rate your outfit from 1 to 10. What? I saw 10 free. Oh God, look on his face. Hey!
No, think about it.
I said the grand man from last night. That's all I'm saying. Grand man, I put some on it. Sorry.
I'm a machine.
Yo, you want too much, man?
Yeah, talk about wash up from one day, I train. Some training Saturday, I'm broke. I'm could even do more. So?
Yeah. Use cone to cone. 2.
So me I go. From here to this, so. What I want to help you with?
Go through your car.
You come out of the block, you tank me, you know. And you core. Don't slack up the band.
Keep it.
Yeah.
Me no want that to me. I come here drive out.
You know, no forward of the program this summer doing. Land properly, man. How much damn pain you can know something about track and field. Oh God. You don't know, footballer. I have talent, but him just not. When him learn the thing, I'm strong.
One.
Too high you. Lower. Cone to cone, a shuttle cross. Straight like. No, make it firm, man, make it firm. Keep it band firm. I don't know if you have money.
Pause. Pause.
Up more. Yeah, up. 12. Set.
Yeah, man, 12
Walk more. What you feel it? Yeah, they don't really know that people like that.
I mean, I did it.
No, I said they don't really know them something there. Car, come on, the car. Oh, dear, man. Yeah, you're working a car. You done that? Take a sip of water. Arms, your core. Watch your bag. The bag this up. Warm up on me. Alright, man, you're not feeling warm up. Won't you still cut?
So?
Yeah, 1 foot pull, yeah. Hands up to the sky.
Gun, man. Alright.
Box on the back.
What's spot? The find one spot. What's it? Hold the shot.
Oh. Really forward. Watch out. Yo, I'm gonna catch up on camera here.
Try that.
Yo, pause.
One can't get one camera here.
See camera there right there. Yo.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Because get you there, I'm moving for the ground there, that. Yes, I never lie. Yes, I never lie. Yo. No, man.
This school I work back full time, bro. Hey, that one.
Side. So we are going around the middle still. We are going around the world.
Don't say what they give them.
Can't do this thing. December, go mash up.
Leave me, I go back.
On the floor.
When they come to school and cook, you know, man watch that. Bring fat. Yo, mate. There's a method of camera and them.
No. Now try overload you.
Something like that.
Yo, thanks.
Yeah.
City lose that.
Yeah, man. I 8 man. Where you are, sir? Yeah, man.
Love camera youth.
I would have attacked you. Yeah, man. Where you are, sir? Yeah, man.
Don't leave, don't leave.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what you are saying? Yeah, man.
Who I get trouble? Who I get trouble?
What country?
I country mine.
Hey.
This need to be catch. Yeah, sir, man.
Yo, hey, you come up here there, no.
Hey, mine, you know.
Man, get the cup of car there, no.
Where you are saying? Yeah, man. Yeah. Cool face are going over here, sir.
Oh, my bag?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yo, get the banner transfer. Get the banner transfer.
Oh, yeah, sir, man. A little more zoom in. Yeah, man. Hey. Hey. See it now. Yeah, man. Yeah, sir, man.
The train, you feel that they come to me. Man, you have to do that. Me have to work, but you don't do nothing to try to help yourself. You think say either King will do it or me will do it. You not try hard. Me need to do this. That,
You know it on, you know.
You don't want one.
Yeah. Yeah, be the people and you know, man. That now, man.
Chelsea go into man.
Come for interview.
Chelsea go
Interview. Watch out, one interview. Chelsea interview.
The school now.
Ready now.
3 points we are calling.
So we're here. Ready now, Chargy.
Where you say?
Say if the side can win the Premier League.
Me have faith in my side, you know.
Me
No,
say.
watch no face. Yeah, where you say? Yes, I can win, man, you.
Hold on now.
Yeah,
Stop
to
talking
the
about
point, man,
United.
you.
At Chelsea, me I deal with.
Alright, where you are say?
How does it feel to get a defeat by West Ham United 3-2?
You can't win everything, you know.
Alright.
Go back to your drawing board and come back.
Okay,
Now watch out.
okay.
You get beat by Watford, you
Hold
know.
on
You
now.
go back to your drawing board.
Yo,
I'm telling you.
I'm here interview with the man. Relax now, sir.
Yeah,
And take
sir.
an interview.
You know done?
Take an interview, Shanna, man. Ready. So, you feel they can finish in the top 3?
Yeah, man, we done there.
Be
in the
true
top
to
three,
yourself.
We done there in the top 3.
Myself, I can
So where you are
finish.
trying, sir?
I finish
That
myself.
question is for you, sir.
Yo,
That
stop
question is
talking
for you.
reporters on the youth.
Say
Yo,
that question is for you.
hear me, I say now.
Yo, go to your man.
Listen now. So, who on your side? Me know nobody on your side now better than you know. Chelsea. So you know so that side of shit. So, hear me, I say no. Who is better, Manchester United or Chelsea?
I must Chelsea.
When?
Ain't see table show.
It don't matter
Right now. Right now we are talking about.
But we know
Relax
Chelsea now
yourself.
good. Chelsea United.
So you are
Liverpool. Man, subscribe to the Umin Tube. No, we love too much feature, brother. Love too much feature. Subscribe. We are zooming this. Oh. Yeah, man. We are working. Well, that sound keep good. You know, we are working, see it. Spikes 1 feet. The youth there right there, so. Him a rub right there, so. Him worse than me, you know. Me not rub, you know. Hey boy, we are do. Get up here and see me clapping in your face, you know. That's some gay.
Subscribe to Wilfit Lifestyle. Like, share and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Donate the next friend. Tell your mom, tell your aunt. Oh, go over to his YouTube page and subscribe for me, guys. The one right there. The big brain behind the Kingston College team. Alright.